PDF editor. You don't need to download any extra software to work on a PDF. You can complete fillable PDF forms, use annotations, and place colored sticky notes with questions for your accountant, all with our free web-based PDF editing tool. Let's say you want to modify a 1040 file that you uploaded. You can find it on the Documents page under the Recent tab if it was uploaded recently, or under the Folders tab. You can only edit documents in folders where clients have view and edit permission. You can open the form directly, no need to download anything. To view the document in full screen, click here. The viewer remembers your preference, so if you set full screen mode once, it will likely become the default for future files. The tools on the left side of the toolbar help you change the magnification and navigate the PDF. The hand tool lets you drag the page to move it around, perfect when you're reviewing a long document like Form 1040. Use the magnifying glass tools to zoom in on smaller text. The Fit Page View tool adjusts the magnification so the entire form fits your screen vertically or horizontally. Great when you're scanning the full document for anything missing before submitting it. The Thumbnails tool shows all pages in the left margin, allowing you to scroll quickly. Click the arrow next to a thumbnail to view the document's outline, annotations, bookmarks, and signatures. To revise a document, mark it up by double-clicking a word or selecting the text you want to highlight. Use the floating panel to highlight, strike out, underline, squiggle, or redact text. For example, if you notice an error in your Form 1040, like a wrong Social Security number or outdated address, you can highlight it or strike it out to flag it for your accountant. To fill out a PDF form in our viewer, just click inside the form. When the field is highlighted yellow, you're ready to type. Click checkboxes to select them. In the document editor, you can delete pages, combine documents, split one into several, change the page order, add blank pages, and more. You can also use text annotations to add comments. Click the text icon, choose your color, opacity, and font, then click where you want to place the text and start typing. To add digital sticky notes with comments or questions, click the note icon and place it anywhere on the document. These are perfect for collaboration. You can customize the note's color and icon to organize or prioritize your comments. You also have the option to insert an image by clicking in the image icon. Our PDF editor includes a range of pre-designed stamps, and you can also create and save your own. Click the arrow next to the image icon, select Stamp, then choose a preset or create a custom one. Move and resize it as needed. There are also various ways to visually mark the document. There are various ways to highlight text as well. Click the pencil icon, then select one of the available tools. You can even add lines, arrows, rectangles, and other shapes anywhere in the document.